Cut washed and peeled potatoes. Put the potatoes in a pan. Add water. Add salt. Cover and cook for 15 minutes. Put the potatoes in a bowl. Cut white onions. Cut spring onions. Cut sausage. Grate cheese. The ingredients. Heat butter in a pan. Add the sausage. Add the onions. Put it on a plate. Heat butter in a pan. Add milk. Add garlic powder. Add oregano powder. Add pepper. Add flour. Cover for a few minutes. Add water. Put half of the sauce in a baking pan. Add the potatoes. Add the onions and the sausage. Add the rest of the sauce. Add the grated cheese. Bake for 15 minutes. Put it on a plate. Ready to serve. Have a nice meal.